Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Up to this lecture, we are discussing the food constituents, and in food constituents, we are discussing the minerals, and in minerals, today we will discuss the iron. Iron is basically the inorganic substance required by the body for certain functions which we will discuss. In this lecture, we will discuss the iron, its sources, its functions, and how it is absorbed and its deficiency symptoms. The sources of the vitamins are kidney, liver, meat, milk, fish, milk products, etc. It is absorbed by the microorganisms which are producing the vitamin B complex, and vitamin B complex and vitamin E are responsible for its absorption from the intestinal tract. Once it is absorbed from the intestinal tract, the functions which it will perform are discussed as it is the integral part of the hemoglobin, and hemoglobin is responsible through iron to carry oxygen from the lungs through heart to the cells, and in the cells the oxygen is carried out to perform the metabolism in the mitochondria, which is called the powerhouse of the cell, where the energy is released from the food which is consumed. So basically the iron is responsible for the release of energy in the cells for various body functions. If it is not consumed or not available in sufficient amount, the energy will not be produced sufficiently due to the low amount of the metabolism or the unavailability of the iron and unavailability of the oxygen in the cells to perform the process of the procedure of the metabolism over there. So it is the intrinsic part of the hemoglobin which carries oxygen from lungs to cells through heart to the mitochondria of the cell to produce the energy. And remember that at this stage, by this metabolism, the carbon dioxide is produced, which is carried out from the cells to lungs to be exhaled through breathing. The normal body functions are performed by the release of the energy. That functions may be the growth, maintenance, repair of the cells, repair of the body organs, and to keep the body warm, and the reproduction. The energy is required for several purposes, for several functions such as the reproduction, growth and maintenance, including the repair, and to keep the body healthy. So if you have any question about it, you can ask us, and remember that the deficiency symptom of the iron is the anemia, in which one is unable to produce sufficient amount of energy to produce the blood, to synthesize the blood. Basically, it is the blood which is responsible for the release of energy. By having iron as integral part of the hemoglobin, which carries oxygen over there, and energy is released, so the one who is unable to get the sufficient amount of the iron will be affected and will be unable and will suffer from anemia and will be called anemic. This is the deficiency symptom of the iron. If you have any question, you can ask us. Thank you.